We have been learning about bullying, what bullying is and how we can deal with it. We look at the important features of bullying.
Bullying is intentional. This means it doesn't happen by accident. A bully hurts someone on purpose.
Bullying is repetitive schemes of bullying someone over and over again. Bullying isn't an incident that happens only once or twice.
Bullying is where one person acts like they have more power than another. A bully does whatever they can to hurt or upset another person. There are some ways that bullying may target people. Physical bullying, when a bully hurts another person.
Verbal bullying, when a bully may use words to hurt another's feelings or upset others.
Indirect bullying, when a bully might spread rumors or tell tales to hurt someone's feelings or get them into trouble.
Cyberbullying, when a bully may use mobile phones or the internet to upset someone.
They might spread rumors or pass around stories, information or photos which should not be shared with others. If you are being bullied or someone you know is being bullied, don't ignore it and hope it will go away. You must tell an adult. Think about how you behave and react to bullying. Do not let yourself get sucked in. Everyone makes a difference.
Make sure you're the person who chooses to do the right thing.
United means when you
Come together and have teamwork.
It would be better if everyone was a team to unite and go against bullying. Now, if everyone united together, everyone would just be more of a happy, family. If no one stopped bullying, schools, the world would be a very sad place and wouldn't be a place that someone would want to be.
Bullying is really mean to other people. You're actually upsetting their feelings, and it's just not fair to be bullied. Make sure not to bully because it's wrong.
If we come together and unite, that's the best we can do to stop it.
We're more powerful as a team, not by ourselves.
I will play my part by trying to make sure everyone on the playground is included.
If someone is different, I choose to celebrate that and not discriminate.
Tell them if they want them to play with you. I choose to keep my hands and feet to myself.
I will choose not to be mean. I'd rather respect them.
I choose not to laugh at other people when other people are laughing at someone.
It's more powerful if everyone comes together, because then everyone's persuading everyone else. We all need to play a part.
Let's all come together.
And play our part to unite against bullying.
What part will you play?
Let us pray, hands together, eyes closed. Dear God, help us to celebrate our differences.
Help us with lovely attitudes towards one another. Help us to consider everyone in everything we say and do. Help us to have the courage, help us to show respect for everyone, even those who are not our friends. Help us to have the courage to tell someone if we are being work together to be the best we can be so that we can make a better future for us all.
For sharing this assembly, really important assembly hall with class year 3A today.
Teamwork makes the dream work.